Welcome back to Zimist Coded. Have you ever wanted to make sharing information incredibly simple just by letting someone scan a code with their phone? Well, here's something many people don't know. You can actually create QR codes directly inside Microsoft Word without using any external website and without installing any extra software. Yes, right inside the document you are already working on. And the best part? You can convert almost any information into a QR code, a website link, your contact details, a Wi-Fi password, or even a block of personal information. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create QR codes instantly inside Microsoft Word, step by step. And later in the video, I'll also show you how to save those QR codes as images, or even export them inside a PDF document. All right, let's get started. Right now on my screen, I have two blocks of data. The first one is simply a website link, and the second one is a block of personal information containing multiple lines. Let's begin with the website link. What we are going to do is convert this link into a QR code. To do that, we use a special word field code. First, before the link, type DISPLAYBARCODE. Then add an open parentheses. Now place your website link inside the parentheses. After the link, add the closing parentheses. Good, but we are not done yet. After the closing parentheses, we need to add the QR parameter so Microsoft Word understands that we want to convert this information into a QR code. Now that our full block is ready, we need to convert this text into a field. To do that, select the entire block. Then on your keyboard, press Ctrl F9. You'll notice Word has now converted the text into a field block. This is what allows Word to generate the barcode. Now here comes the interesting part. Right-click anywhere inside the block. From the menu, click Toggle Field Codes. And just like that, Microsoft Word instantly converts the block into a QR code. Simple, fast, and very powerful. Now suppose you want to edit the link later. All you need to do is right-click the QR code again. Click Toggle Field Codes, and Word will switch it back to the editable code where you can modify the link. Then toggle it again. And it returns to the QR code. Very convenient. Now let's also convert this multi-line personal information into a QR code. The process is exactly the same. First, I will place the entire block of personal information inside the parentheses of the DISPLAYBARCODE command. So I'll type the command, add the opening parentheses, paste the full block of personal information, then close the parentheses, and finally add the QR parameter at the end. Now I will select the entire block again. Then press Ctrl F9. Perfect. Word converts it into a field block. Next, I'll right-click it and select Toggle Field Codes. And just like that, a fully functional QR code appears in the document. Anyone with a smartphone can now scan this code and instantly access that information. Let me quickly test it. I'll scan the website QR code using my phone. And as you can see, it opens the website immediately. This is incredibly useful for things like presentations, business cards, class materials, documents, or even personal notes. Now let me show you how to save these QR codes as images. First, select the QR code you want. Right-click it and choose Copy. Now open the Paint application from the Start menu. Inside Paint, press Ctrl-V to paste the QR code, or simply click the Paste button. Great, now we have the QR code inside Paint. All we need to do is crop the area we want, and then save it as an image file. Very simple. Another option is to export the entire Word document as a PDF. That way the QR codes remain inside the document and can easily be shared, printed, or distributed. Let me quickly export this document as a PDF file. And that's it. You can now create QR codes directly in Microsoft Word for almost any type of information. Try creating your own QR codes today and make your documents more interactive, more professional, and easier to share. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe to Zimist Coded for more simple tech tutorials, Windows tips, and productivity tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.